Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be dropping vital information for you on this very amazing channel. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos, okay? So that a lot of people can gain value from it. So if you are a Bybit trader, then this video is really for you. Okay, so just pay attentive and make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end in order to fully understand what exactly the video is all about, and also to fully understand the whole explanations in this video. Okay, so today I'll be showing you a lot of information about Bybit, and the most amazing thing about this video that you must really need to watch is that the information I'm going to give it to you will help you if you are holding some coins. And if you are holding a lot of coins on Bybit, then watch carefully as well, as Bybit is about to delist a lot of coins, all right, in few days time. So all you just need to do is to watch carefully, okay? So first thing you just need to do, navigate yourself to Bybit notifications. Okay, navigate yourself to Bybit notification. Go to this place, right? Come to this place and click. All right, click on this very place. So if you click on this very place, navigate yourself to this very place. Read what is here: delisting of 9 spot pairs. Okay, that is, Bybit will be delisting in 9 spot pairs. Okay, so if you are trading those pairs or you are holding those pairs, then it is time for you to let go of them. Okay, if not, your money will be lost and your trading will be nowhere to be found. Okay, so all you just need to do is to click on this very place, click on this more, in order to secure the whole information that is in these notifications. Okay, so I'll click it now. So clicking on it, you're going to wait carefully. Okay, if you wait carefully, something of this nature will pop up for you. Okay, then it says what here? It says delisting of MCT, TVK, ACM, MMC, SUIA, XWG, PLY, and DEVT, which is DEFT. Okay, Bybit will be delisting those coins in a very soon time. All right, this information was dropped yesterday, which was 25. Okay, which was 25 of what, of July. Okay, you can see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Bybit is about to delist those coins, so look at it very carefully. Look at it very carefully. If you're holding any of these coins, I advise you to leave it now. Okay, take your money out of it and wait for any other informations. Okay, so you go down a little. This place says Bybit will be delisting the below coin. Okay, trading pairs on our platform and will no longer support these tokens as assets going forward. You see, this is to back up those informations that the Bybit are going to really delist this information. Reading further, the delisting timeline will be as follows: spot trading, they will delay this, all of this. Convert, there will be no convert available for those coins. Okay, you can no longer convert them, and this is going to start from what? From 9 a.m. August 2024. After 9 a.m. August 2024, that is, it's going to happen in 5 days time. That is what? 26, Okay, today is 2/6, and this is going to happen in a week time. Okay, it says after 9 a.m. UTC on August 8th, 2024. Okay, so coming down here again to see deposit and withdrawal for those aforementioned coin will no longer be available. Be very careful. Deposit and what and withdrawal for the aforementioned coin will no longer be available. Okay, so what you just need to do now, if you are watching this video right now, make sure you start watching close to it. Okay, if you like, you can hesitate it a little until on the 30th before you take it off. Maybe something will change. Okay, in case if you are too down, it might go up for you a little. All right, so as it was said here, deposit will not be available for those coins. Withdrawal also will no longer be available for those coins. That is after 9 a.m. UTC on November 1st. Okay, so the withdrawal will no longer be available after November 1st. Okay, the withdrawal will no longer be available after November 1st, and the deposit will no longer be available after August 1st. Mark this. You can no longer deposit this particular coin after August 1st, and you will be given a grace of still few months, like 3 months. Okay, if you don't withdraw this coin before November, you can no longer withdraw it. But mind you, from August 1st, you can no longer trade this coin. The trading pair for this coin will be what? Will be delisted. Okay, so look at this information that the Bybit is dropping for its esteemed users here. It said, please be aware that there will be a risk of asset loss if the asset you hold cannot be successfully sold after withdrawals are suspended. Please take note of what? Of timeline and manage your assets accordingly. Alright? And in this place, it ended up by saying, thank you for your continued support. You may click here to review Bybit tokens management rules. If you have active, that is, we're here now. If you have active spot grid boards of DCA bots on those aforementioned coin that was going to be delisted before 9 a.m. UTC on the August 6, 2024, otherwise they will be automatically terminated by the systems. Okay, so having seen this, check out the coins you hold in and make sure you're very careful so that you will not lost your assets. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this amazing content. If this is your first time as well, subscribe. If you are returning viewers and you are yet to do, please do so. Like our videos and share our videos. Please, if you do have any questions regarding this very video or any other thing at all that you want me to talk about or to explain to you clearly, you can drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.